So something easy and simple like you see here, and honestly YouTube goes crazy for this. So many views you get. What's up guys? How you guys doing? Thanks for coming back with me again. My name is David O with Affiliate Marketing here on this channel. Today we're going to go over how to actually put how to create videos, not necessarily put your face on camera if you're shy or don't want to do it for whatever reason, or even your voice. We're going to actually create little short whiteboard videos, what they're called, where you don't have to show your face, like I said, if you're shy or anything. So if you guys are new to this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing, online businesses, other ways to make passive income and make money online. Today I'm going to show you how to put little short videos on the internet here. If you have a YouTube video, if you have, like I said, a bridge page video where you have to put a little short video of yourself or something that you have to say, this is going to be perfect. So stick around. Okay, so we are here. I just pulled up YouTube, just a random video. You can kind of see how to make money online, and this is what you call a whiteboard video. So this is actually an easy way to not have your face on video or on camera, but also tell a story on what you're trying to get across. So I just kind of pulled this up randomly, and what this actually does is you have somebody read a script and kind of tell the story while you have another person, or you kind of see here on the video that somebody's drawing out the whole script or the whole storyline. So in this example, you have how to make money online, passive income. So these are actually really great videos to post on YouTube because they rank a lot easier, a lot higher. A lot of people do like watching these just because they actually tell a story. Somebody's reading the story as well as you're getting to watch it. So you do actually have a lot of views or a lot of people that interact with it. These whiteboard videos, you want to use them for short stories. You don't want to use them for very long, 10-15 minutes, because you will start losing the audience. So between 2 to 5 minutes is typically where you kind of want to have these whiteboard stories. So these are perfect for short little videos, YouTube videos, bridge pages, if you're going to do a short little thank you video, something like that. So you don't want to be looking or staring at, like, let's say my face for 15 minutes, because you're just going to get bored and lose it. Okay, so to get started with this, there's a three simple process to create a whiteboard video. The first one is you want to actually create a script, what you're going to talk about. Let's say, for example, if you want to write about a bridge page, right? You're going to want to put a video on your sales funnel. When customers come and opt into your funnel, you want to say thank you, you want to introduce yourself and so forth, right? You want to write a script. If you don't want to write a script or you want somebody else to do it, you can either go to iWriter.com or to Fiverr.com right here. Kind of already pulled it up. What you do is just write a script, type in write a script, and you have all these people here that will write scripts. So some will do it for $10, $30, $50. You don't want to go super expensive. Like I said, this is going to be like a 2-3 minute video, so it's not going to be that long, you know, so $10 is actually fine. What you do is you obviously send them in the script. You want to tell them, hey, this is what I'm going to do. I want to do a thank you page, or I'm writing this story or whatever. They'll write it up, and you also tell them this is going to be for a whiteboard video, and you also tell them what you want them to include in that script. So that's going to be the first step. Grab your script. After that, you want to actually do a voiceover. So now you want somebody to read that script. So once again, you go back into Fiverr. Fiverr is actually really cool if you haven't really used it or know about it. I'll put a little card up here on the corner here, and I explain what Fiverr is, how you can make money on that. Just like this, you're paying somebody to do that provides you a service. So this voiceover, now that you have the script, you have written your script, either you wrote it or you had somebody else write it, you actually send the script over and get a voiceover. So now you want somebody to read it and record it. And right here you kind of go down, and like I said, different prices. Yeah, $15, $20, even $100, right? You kind of just see what's comfortable. So you kind of see that some people kind of audition, kind of hear their voices. What do you want? What feels more comfortable, soothing for your video?
Hi, I'm Jessica Lewis. Thank you so much for checking out my voice.
So you kind of just going, like I said, you don't want to go super expensive, and at the same time you don't want to go super cheap, you know, just something right in the middle. You know, another $10, $15, depending on what it is. So you pretty much send them in the script, they read it, they write it, and now they do the voiceover. So now you actually have the script and the voice for your whiteboard. The third and final step is going to be now creating the drawing or the animation. So once again, back into Fiverr.com, whiteboard video. So now you're going to have the person draw out their whole video. So, and here you can kind of see there's some that are really kind of high price, $250 $180, $5. Once again, you don't want to go that expensive, that crazy. This is going to be a 2-3 minute video. You don't want to go too expensive. At the same time, I wouldn't probably go for the $5 one. So, you know, you could kind of go like in the middle. And again, another $10, $15, $20 for a whiteboard animation. Now what you do is you actually send them the script, you send them the voiceover, and you actually explain to them what you're trying to do. Hey, this is going to be a YouTube video. I'm going to make a whiteboard video on YouTube, or this is going to be for my bridge page. Can you please include this, this, and this in the animation? So you kind of, you know, just, you don't want to get too picky, but at the same time, you want to actually give them something to go off so they know what to draw, what they're going to be doing. So, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So you pretty much just pay somebody to make these videos. And like I said, if you want to make a bridge page for your videos, if you're too shy, don't have the equipment, whatever the reason is, or if you want to make YouTube videos, this is actually also another cool way on how to get yourself out there, how you can start monetizing and start making money off YouTube from these videos. These rank very high. They're very popular with people because you actually get to see a little video, a little story. Just like right here, you have somebody start drawing, you have the voiceover and everything. So this is also a really cool trick that you can do. I personally haven't done it yet. I do want to try it in the future, but I like to just kind of interact here on the video. So I know sometimes I look a little weird, but whatever. But yeah, this is kind of like what I do. But this is also a really cool way. So okay, so that's pretty much that's pretty much how it is. Simple, easy. There's only 3 steps. So the first one is you're going to actually write a script, or you want to send somebody to write a script for you. Second one is to get the voiceover. So you get that script, send it to that voiceover to that person so they can record their voice and you can get a voice for that video. And then the third one, you're going to send them both of those and give it to a whiteboard animation dude that's going to draw up your whiteboard. And that's as simple as that. So it's very easy. If you have, it should cost you no more than like $60, right? If you're having somebody pay for your script to write to your script, it's about $60 maybe. You know, like I said, you don't want to go too expensive. If you're writing your own script, maybe about 30-40 bucks. So shouldn't be too crazy. And you can use this, like I said, on YouTube videos. Very awesome. You can do it on your bridge page if you're actually starting to create your own online business, or you're trying to have or you're creating a funnel, and that's like a thank you page and you're directing them to like the product page or whatever. It's also really cool and awesome. A lot of people do interact with that. So just kind of another tip or whatever. If you guys actually enjoyed this information or you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, write in the comments there to give me any questions, and I'll definitely get back to you guys. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.